Designed and built for reliability, durability, and ease of maintenance, Groundsman Industries heavy-duty sod cutters are the machines of choice for lawn maintenance professionals and rental outlets around the world. Designed from the bottom up, with the critical area of operator fatigue in mind, these superbly engineered machines offer a combination of uniquely counterbalanced cutter blade movement and Groundsman's anti-vibration operator handle mounting system, which enable firm, easy steering control while providing the lowest operator hand-arm vibration available from any sod cutter on the market. The machine's 12-inch diameter solid rubber diagonally treaded wheels offer excellent traction in any terrain. The patented worm drive and oil-filled gear system allows the operator to disengage the wheel drive while the engine is running. The centrifugal clutch allows the operator to have the engine running with both wheel drive and cutter drive engaged but not moving. Simply increasing the engine revs will set both systems in motion. Adjusting the depth of the cut takes just a few seconds. Simply loosen the depth lock lever, turn the depth adjustment lever, and then relock. The cutter blade angle can also be adjusted in just a few seconds. Using the T-wrench supplied with the machine, loosen the 4 blade angle clamp bolts, turn the adjustment nut to move the blade angle indicator scale through 5 degrees, and then retighten the bolts. A shallow or flatter blade angle moves the blade closer to the blade wheels for thin precision cutting, giving consistent thickness even on rolling terrain. A steeper or larger blade angle is generally better for deep cutting because the blade is moved away from the blade wheels. The throat distance is increased, making the machine particularly effective in rough matted grass conditions. The cutter blade is attached to the drive mechanism by a unique tripod mounting, which can easily be fine-tuned by loosening the 3 clamping nuts and then tapping the blade into the correct position before firmly tightening all 3 nuts. Setting the blade properly will guarantee a consistent thickness across the width of the sod for fine cutting to ½ an inch or less. Blades are available for 12-inch, 14-inch, 16-inch, 18-inch, and on the larger 4-wheel drive models, 20-inch wide cuts. The cutter blades can be replaced in a few minutes with a mold drain blade, which will cut a 3/4 inch drainage hole up to 5 inches below the surface with minimal surface disturbance, a decompacting blade, or a trenching blade. The 2-wheel drive TMC26's smaller size and lighter weight make it a favorite with equipment rental outlets and landscapers. The 4-wheel drive machines are the most versatile precision sod cutters on the market. They are capable of working on any type of grass surface, including a wide range of professional applications, including golf clubs, football pitches, horse racing tracks, sod farms, and municipalities. The 4-wheel drive TMC48 model can be fitted with the chop attachment to consistently and accurately cut sod to lengths ranging from 3 feet to 16 feet. Groundsman have developed the model TIM49 trench insertion machine specifically to insert pipe or cable into the ground in a one-pass operation. This machine is based on a TMC range sod cutter but uses a specially designed wedge blade which displaces the soil to create the trench for quickly laying irrigation pipe up to 5 inches deep, with a minimum of surface disturbance. Whichever machine you choose, you'll know you're getting the finest machine on the market, setting new standards in performance and operator comfort. The Groundsman sod cutters comprise just one family in a range of pedestrian and vehicle-mounted lawn maintenance products. For more information and to find your closest Groundsman dealer, visit our website, Groundsman Industries, leading by design.